Hi everyone, my name is Anjali and I'm fourth year BSM student from ISET Bhopal. I'm from biological science majors. This video may not help you informatically, but this video will help many of you emotionally. And I think that I feel this video should reach a large number of audience. So your counseling is almost over now. And many of you, max of you, will not be getting any college because this is competition, no? So only few will be selected and most of you will not be selected. But you should watch this video because really this video may be life changing video for many of you. At my time also I was in same phase. Really, I was very good at studies in school, but I don't know, after when my school got over, मेरा थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट ही कम होने लग गया पढ़ाई से. But we have to study. If we have to survive, we have to study. If we are not a very good dancer or singer, so for me also, I had to study. I knew this. So for that, I had to crack any exam, and that's how I landed up to ISER. So I did not know about ISER. I have told before also, and luck by chance I am here. Last day I came to know that ISERs exist, and I filled the form and I got selected here. Or else maybe I would be doing dental from some government college because I was getting dental too. So if you are not selected in NEET, and if you're not selected in ISER, if you're not selected in NISER, if you're not selected in ICAR or whatever exam you have gave, then don't worry because tumhara once you get that merit, no, you will crack all the exams. So when I gave 12th, I was selected in none of the exam. Not even in Bihar. Bihar state exam. I know that that is very tough, even though it's a state exam. But yeah, but what I'm telling you, I was selected nowhere, really nowhere. And my parents always gave me very good education, so there was बहाना नहीं था मेरे पास. I had nothing to say. I accepted that I didn't study and I took a drop year, and I did not work that hard, but I managed. I like studied somehow so that I get a college. मेरा मोटो भी एम्स का नहीं था. मैंने अपना मोटो ही बना रखा था कि कोई एक कॉलेज मिल जाए, एंड आई थिंक यही रीजन है कि मुझे नहीं मिला एमबीबीएस. बिकॉज अगर तुम मोटो अपना एम ही थोड़ा लो रखोगे देन तुम्हें उससे कम ही मिलता है. So first of all, you have to think big. Yeah, उससे फर्क पड़ता है क्योंकि अगर मैं यहाँ पे भी सोचती हूँ ना कि मेरा डेडलाइन 20 को है, तो मैं 20 को ही सबमिट करती हूँ अपना असाइनमेंट. अगर मुझे धोखा हो जाए कि मेरा डेडलाइन 18 को है, तो मैं जो असाइनमेंट 20 तक मैं करूंगी वो मैं 18 को जाके सबमिट कर दूंगी. ऐसा होता है, पता नहीं मेरा माइंड ही ऐसा है, सबका होता है. सो you don't have. I know that this is very painful. I literally understand. I was in the same phase. You don't have to worry if you're not getting any college, and if you're not rich enough to afford private college, then don't worry. You don't have any option than taking drop. And really I'm telling you that anyone can get a college, anyone can crack college, even if you're not intelligent. इंटेलिजेंस तो अब कोई रीजन ही नहीं रहा है. लिटरली आई एम टेलिंग यू, क्योंकि इंटेलिजेंट पीपल जो होते हैं उनका भी कॉलेज नहीं लगता अगर वो मेहनत नहीं करते हैं तो. एंड आई हैव सीन पीपल, देर आर पीपल फ्रॉम विलेजेस इन माई कॉलेज ऑल्सो फ्रॉम हिंदी मीडियम. सो विद हार्ड वर्क दे आर हियर एट आइजर, विच इज टोटली इंग्लिश मीडियम कॉलेज. यहाँ पे हर प्रोफेसर दे टीच इन इंग्लिश ओनली. And so yeah, that's what I want to tell, that you can crack any exam. Do not ever think that I'm not intelligent so I won't be able to get admission in any college, any government college. No, you can get. And everything is now available on YouTube. Literally everything is available on YouTube. So you can study for any exam from YouTube. For IAT, I have already made a strategy video, so you can go and watch, and literally you can get any ISER through if you study that way. Really. Now, if you are not getting any college, I'm telling you few. So there was a girl, my friend's sister. So this year her IAT rank was very high. I think something 20,000 general category rank, which is too high. So for sure she was not getting either, and I also did not know that there is some forensic science exam. She's studying in Delhi in some forensic science college, government college only. I also did not know such exam exists, or else I would have told you people. So there are many exams which people don't know that they exist. You have to target those exams. So she's studying in a government college in forensic science, with 20,000 something rank in IAT, ISER aptitude test. So you have to make use of internet, and you have to find such exams which very few people are targeting, and you have to fill those forms. If like अगर तुम्हारा कुछ ऐसा एम नहीं है कि तुम्हें डॉक्टर ही बनना है, एमबीबीएस ही करना है, या तुम्हें रिसर्चर ही बनना है, then target all the exams. Find out what are the exams, what are forms you can fill. I have already made a video like कि तुम्हें कौन कौन से फॉर्म्स भरने चाहिए, तो उसमें मुझे जितना पता था आई हैव टोल्ड यू पीपल, बट देर आर मोर एग्जाम्स ऑल्सो ना. You have to search Google. You have to take, I mean, search Google nahi. You have to search for your exams. You have to find out. So you have to work for yourself smartly. I can just help you. Like मुझे अभी पता चला तो I told you people. ऐसे कितने सारे एग्जाम्स हो गए. जैसे कि मैंने अभी एक वीडियो बनाया था 15 ways to get IIT. तो लिटरली 15 ways हैं IIT पाने के. पता नहीं लोगों को, मे बी पीपल वुड नॉट हैव क्लिक कि ये कुछ ऐसा ही फालतू वीडियो है, बट there are ways. You have to find out the way. Do not be disheartened अगर तुम्हारा नहीं हुआ इस साल कहीं पे भी. You are made for something better for sure. मेरा नहीं हुआ था BCEC एग्जाम में, बिहार का एग्जाम होता है. मैं इतनी डिसहार्टन, मुझे लगा था यार ये एग्जाम तो इजी होगा, मैं कर लूंगी, बट मेरा नहीं हुआ था 12th में जब मैं एग्जाम थे. वाज रियली डिसहार्टन, बट अगर मेरा हो जाता तो शायद मैं एडमिशन ले लेती और आज मैं इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट में नहीं पढ़ रही होती. So literally everything happens for a reason, and you have to thank God for everything. So whatever I have told you, pay attention to that. And there is a video which I have made, Need to IIT, my journey wala, my mistakes. So I think that that video will help you all. So you can go and watch that video. I have already made a video like forms to be filled if you are a PCB need student. So you can watch that video. That will be very helpful for you all. Don't be disheartened. This is all I wanna tell. There are many ways to earn if you are targeting money, and if you wanna be researcher only, then also there are many ways. ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम आइजर आओगे तो ही तुम रिसर्चर बनोगे. No. If you are doing your BSc from a normal college, crack GATE and come to ISER. So you can come for PhD. So there are many ways. You don't have to feel disheartened at this stage, because we all are very young. If you are watching me, you are very young. So इस एज में बिल्कुल होप नहीं छोड़ना है कि अब तो कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा. अरे हमारे पास अभी है टाइम. यू कैन डू मिरेकल्स. क्या पता तुम इतने ग्रेट हो जाओ कि मैं तुम्हें सुन रही हूँ. आई एम नॉट ग्रेट. मैं बस बता रही हूँ. तो यू डोंट हैव टू बी डिसहार्टेंड. आई नो मैं बोल रही हूँ इतना तुम्हें फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, तुम होगे डिसहार्टेंड. तो मैं जब बहुत ऐसे थोड़ी सी सैड रहती थी तो मैं कभी कभार मूवीज देख लेती थी. मुझे डियर जिंदगी पता नहीं क्यों बहुत अच्छा लगता था तब. तो तुम भी अपना कुछ रास्ता निकालो अपने एंटरटेनमेंट का. बिल्कुल देवदास बन के नहीं बैठना है तुम्हें. सो this is all I wanted to say, and I hope that this video helped you people. And if not, you can watch Need to IIT wala video. So that's all. Thank you and bye.